Hi there, it's Denise, howtostayfitover50.com. You can also email me, denisesanger@gmail.com. I'm going to sit back in this chair just so you can see I'm in my fitness room. It's been the craziest day, but I've got my Kindle, I've got my notes, and today we're going to talk about 10 things to help you reach your weight goals. Okay? First thing is we're going to think positive. We're going to focus on how it's going to be easy to reach our weight goals, easy to reach our health and wellness goals. When you focus on the positive, it's easier to move in the direction you want to go. So we're not going to say weight loss, we're not going to say diet. We're going to keep the whole thing positive. It will be easy for us to reach our weight goals. That was the biggest change and the biggest aha moment for me that I personally had. Number 2, you have to get on the scale. Get on the scale and weigh yourself so that you know where you're starting. That's all it is, just to know where you're starting. I have found, I personally don't like to weigh myself. I'm not a fan of that scale, but I have found that by weighing myself once or twice a week, it has helped me maintain my weight loss. It keeps it, I didn't mean to say that, maintain my direction towards reaching my weight goals. Okay, so get on the scale, find out where you're at. Water. Again, these first 3 probably sound like a broken record for you, but I cannot tell you how important it is that you drink half your body weight in ounces daily of water. Okay, so if you weigh 200 pounds, you need to be drinking 100 ounces of water every single day. Yes, I know you're going to be peeing a lot. I do, okay? But you have to do it. It'll help you stay hydrated. You'll feel better. You'll have more energy. Your skin will look better, and that's increasingly important as we get older. If I notice that when I don't drink the water, my skin kind of looks crepey, if you know what I mean. Number 4, and every meal, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner, fill your plate half with vegetables, okay? And if you want to do it even better, eat those vegetables first. So for me, even for breakfast, if I have usually I'll have scrambled eggs or something. If I don't drink my Shakeology, I'll have scrambled eggs, and the other half of the plate will be sliced tomato slices, or something like that, or possibly spinach in next to my eggs, and I'll mix it all together. Half your plate in vegetables every single meal. Next, eliminate processed carbs. You know what they are. It's the obvious, the donuts, the bread, but it could be anything. You think that the carb is healthy for you, but the more the carb is processed, the further away from being natural it becomes, okay? So your goal is to eat as natural as possible, as close to the original source of the food. So for example, an apple, applesauce, apple juice. All right, the apple is the organic form of that fruit. Applesauce is processed somewhat. Apple juice is processed a lot. So you want to stay away from processed foods, especially carbs. No dairy. This one I have found has helped me tremendously. Yes, I will still eat cheese, and once in a while I'll have half and half, but eliminating dairy from my diet has actually helped with the bloat and the puffiness, and I just overall feel better. And if you really think about it, cow's milk is for cows. We're not cows. So I don't want to get on a bandwagon with that. I do live near some dairies, and it really upsets me when I drive by them. But if you can, eliminate dairy or at least cut it back. You'll notice an immediate improvement. Let's see. If you can't resist it, get it out of the house. For me, it's chocolate or jelly beans. I don't know what it is with those flippin' jelly beans, but if they're there, every time I walk by, I'm going to be grabbing a handful. So the best thing for me, don't have the jelly beans in the house. So if you absolutely can't resist it, get it out. For those that are grazers, I am not most of the time a grazer. Actually, I have a tendency to go hours without eating. So, but I know several of my clients are grazers. If you're a grazer, fine, that works for you. But you want to make healthier choices. So keep veggies on hand, snacks such as nuts, things that are easy, but also be sure for every time you go to graze, you're drinking a glass of water. That'll help too. Let's see, exercise. You got to get up and move it, move it, move it, move it. I currently am teaching 9 classes a week, but I also am hiking, I kayak. I'm a very active person. But our bodies are so amazing. You could tell me that all day long, that you walk all day long for your job, or you're out in the yard all day long working in the garden. But listen, this is the thing. Our bodies are so, so amazing. They adapt to everything that you're doing. So my body adjusted to the 9 classes I was teaching a week. And when I added in the hiking and the kayaking is when I noticed that I was moving forward towards reaching my weight goal. So whatever you're doing now, bump it up a little bit more. And finally, sleep. I cannot tell you how important it is that we get sleep. I struggle with that myself. I do take melatonin now, and that seems to help me get a better night's sleep. But you do need to get a good night's sleep. Best thing you can do is 30 to 60 minutes before your time that you want to go to bed, turn off the gadgets, turn off the TV, turn off anything electronic, and let your body just unwind and relax. You can also do some breathing, focusing on breathing in, breathing out as you relax your body from head to toe. That's generally what works for me. I also teach that in my Gentle Flow yoga class. So those are my 10 things that have helped me move forward in reaching my weight loss goal, my weight goal, it's number 1. Help me move forward in reaching my weight goals. All right? Anyways, I do take on clients. You can join me in my online fitness classes if you just really don't want to go to the gym. I have level 1, level 2, level 3 classes. You're welcome to join me online. I'm going to put the link for that below. And I also run 5 to 7 day cleanses every month, focusing on sugar, removing sugar from our diets, or boosting our energy. Each one is for a specific reason. So I'll put that link below also. And again, you can find me at howtostayfitover50.com, on Facebook, How to Stay Fit After 50 with Denise. Make sure you subscribe here so you don't miss a video. The next one will be out probably in a couple days, and that'll be back on hysterectomy and menopause. All right, hope you're having a wonderful day. Love y'all.